Hello happy people, it's your boy IP Lyrics, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to check your graphics, that's a video graphics card size. Okay, so without any further ado, we're just gonna get into it. First and first, you want to right click on this little window here, the start button here. You want to right click on it and you'll see the run here. All right, you can click on run and then you type this in, but don't worry, this will be written in the description below. But we can also use another method. You can just go to the type here for search and you just type in run, RUN, and then that still opens the same folder or command like we did before. All right, now you want to click on OK. I'm not just going to wait for this to be true, we're getting through fast as much as possible. So we click on this display here, this one here, display. And when you click on display, you can see your details, and this is the company name for the graphic card I'm using currently. And when you scroll down, that's when you can see the sizes. And okay, and another easy way, which is more accurate, like I've said, is to let's exit this and we go to, that's a software called GPU-Z. Alright, most of you must have heard about it, but if you haven't and you don't have it in your computer because you need to download it, don't worry, the link will be in the description as well. So you click on open when you have it after installation. And this is the size of the video graphic card that I'm using currently. This is the real size of it. Is 1 gigabyte. This translates to 1 gigabyte. And that is where we end this tutorial for today. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so and click on the like button if it works for you. Have a good day. Bless.